mom's old. I didn't want her to, but it was getting old. It kind of smelled, the cushions torn, and it felt well loved, but it looked well worn on summer nights and games with friends, and the awkward fumblings with high school girlfriends in the background of my whole life. And this new couch doesn't look quite right, not yet. If I was ripped at the seams, if I lose the bounce in my cushion springs, will you throw me out to the dogs or a Goodwill store next to a pile of Crocs? But Mom, you're wrong, I must protest. This couch has stood by my side through my worst and my best, and those lonely nights when I was down. Who else to dry my tears but a beautiful, smelly old